There's an old saying that wisdom often repeats, you can go fast alone, but you go far together. It's a simple truth, yet one we often forget in our race to the top. We see the path ahead and believe the quickest way is to run, unburdened and unattached. But speed is not the same as distance. A sprint is not a journey. The real journey, the one that builds something lasting, is never a solo act. It's a shared pilgrimage where the load is lightened not by what we leave behind, but by who we bring with us. This is where true strength is found, not in the lone runner, but in the hands that reach out to help another along the way. The ancient scriptures echo this profound logic. As it is written, two are better than one, because they have a good reward for their labor. For if they fall, the one will lift up his fellow. Think about that for a moment. It's a promise of mutual support, a guarantee that when you stumble, and we all stumble, there will be someone there to offer a hand, to steady your footing, and to remind you that you are not alone in the struggle. This isn't just a comforting thought, it's a strategic advantage. The reward for labor is amplified when shared, because the risk of failure is divided. When one person's strength falters, another's is there to compensate. This is the divine arithmetic of partnership, where 1 + 1 equals more than 2. Real, enduring strength is multiplied through unity, not through ego. The ego tells us that we must be the sole architect of our success, that every victory must be ours alone to claim. But this is a fragile foundation. A structure built on ego is prone to collapse under the slightest pressure because it has no external support. Unity, on the other hand, builds an unshakable fortress. It weaves individual talents into a tapestry far stronger and more beautiful than any single thread. It's the quiet understanding between two climbers, the synchronized effort of a team lifting a heavy beam, the shared vision of partners building a dream. In these moments, the self is set aside for the sake of the collective, and in that selfless act, we discover a power that ego could never grant us. Success is a powerful force, but its nature is shaped by the heart of the one who wields it. Success achieved without humility isolates. It builds walls instead of bridges, creating a lonely kingdom where you are the sole ruler, admired from a distance but never truly connected. You may have the crown, but you'll wear it in an empty hall. Conversely, success achieved with humility inspires. It becomes a beacon, a source of light and warmth that draws others in. It says, this is possible for you too. It shares the blueprint, offers the tools, and celebrates the victories of others as if they were its own. This is the kind of success that ripples outward, creating waves of positive change that extend far beyond your own life. In a world that often glorifies rugged individualism, choosing partnership isn't a sign of weakness. It's the ultimate sign of wisdom. It's the wise recognition that your perspective is limited, that your energy is finite, and that your talents are incomplete. Wisdom is knowing when to lead and when to follow. It is having the confidence to admit you don't have all the answers and the humility to listen to those who might. A partnership founded on this wisdom doesn't diminish you. It completes you. It fills the gaps, challenges your blind spots, and elevates your potential to heights you could never reach on your own. It is the smartest investment you can ever make in your future. Look around at the people you truly admire. The strong help others rise, and the humble never forget where they came from. True strength isn't measured by how high you can climb, but by how many people you lift up with you. And true humility isn't about thinking less of yourself, it's about thinking of yourself less. It's the quiet memory of the hands that helped you, the mentors who guided you, and the community that supported you. It's the understanding that your success is built upon a foundation laid by others. This gratitude keeps your heart soft and your spirit grounded, ensuring that as you ascend, you never lose sight of the people and the principles that got you there. You were never meant to carry every burden alone. The weight of your ambitions, your fears, your responsibilities, they were not designed for a single pair of shoulders. We were created for community, for connection, for collaboration. There is a sacred strength in vulnerability, in the courage to say, I need help. In that moment, you give others the gift of purpose. You allow them to fulfill their own need to contribute, to support, to love. You open the door for a miracle of shared strength where burdens are divided and joys are multiplied. Let go of the illusion that you must be self-sufficient. Lean on others and let them lean on you. When greatness is hoarded, it dies with its owner. It becomes a footnote in a history book, a faded photograph in an old album. But greatness that is shared becomes a legacy. It is woven into the lives of others, passed down through generations, and lives on in the institutions, the relationships, and the movements it helped to build. It is the teacher whose lessons echo in the minds of thousands of students. It is the founder whose company continues to serve the community long after they are gone. It is the parent whose love and wisdom shape a family for generations. This is the path to immortality. This is how you build something that truly lasts. That's the logic of success.